What is keyword research? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Keyword research is an essential element to ensure your content is discovered easily by the right audience. In this video, we will dive deep into the strategies and tools required to conduct thorough keyword research. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be discussing the importance of keyword research and how it can contribute to making your content rank better on Google and attract more traffic. Keywords are the foundation of online content, which acts as the connecting element between your content and its audience. Keyword research determines the most popular and commonly used words and phrases that people type into search engines. Keyword research can be divided into two types: manual and automated. Manual research involves analyzing your target audience and finding the words and phrases that they use to search for content that you can use to your advantage. Automated research, on the other hand, includes using dedicated tools that generate the most searched and related keywords, which can be used to create relevant content. So how can you get started with keyword research? Firstly, understand your niche and take a closer look at what your target audience is interested in. Put yourself in their shoes and try to determine the search terms that they might use to find your content. The next step is to understand the searcher's intent: informational, transactional, or navigational. This will help you determine what kind of content you should be creating and the keywords you should be targeting. Focus on long-tail keywords and be specific with your search terms. There are various free and paid tools available online that help you to conduct keyword research, such as Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, and more. These tools will provide you with valuable insights into your competitors' keywords and give you an idea about the difficulty and search volume of the keywords you are targeting. When conducting keyword research, keep in mind that the goal is not to stuff your content with tons of keywords. Focus on creating high-quality content that is genuinely useful and relevant to your target audience. The keywords are only there to act as a guiding element to direct the right audience to your content. It's important to keep your content up to date and in line with the latest trends by conducting fresh keyword research regularly. You don't want to miss out on popular new keyword trends, which could have given your content a significant boost. Incorporating keyword research into your content creation strategy can be time-consuming, but it's worth the effort. The benefits of attracting the right audience to your content will help increase engagement on your site and raise your search rankings. So that brings us to the end of our video on keyword research. We hope this has been helpful, and now you know the importance of conducting thorough keyword research in creating high-quality content that ranks better in Google. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.